Hi, my name is Rida Alia, and in this video, I'm going to give you 10 reasons as why you should hire me. So, the first one is that I'm a task oriented person. So, you give me a task and be assured that the task will be done within the agreed time period. And second is my understanding of the nuances. So I get to understand the problem first, and I get to understand the nuances and the requirement of the organization, and I act accordingly. Just to give you an example, I was working as a project manager, and for one of the RFPs, it was necessary that we increase the security posture of our company. I immediately plunged onto it and I absorbed that role and I started working on security, and I increased the Microsoft Secure score somewhere from 18-20% to 63%, and Azure Active Directory identity to 100%. And the third reason is that I'm tolerant enough. For almost 5-6 years I have handled team of 40 plus members, where I've seen variety of range of emotions, mood swings of people, them being very naive, very positive to very aggressive, toxic. And believe me, I have gelled with everyone, and I am a socializer by nature, so I just work with people. I love working with people and I gel with them. And the fourth reason you should hire me is because I get in depth of the problem. So for any tasks I take, I first try to understand the depth of the problem statement, and then try to understand the perspective of the customer, of the business, and the technical team, and then it helps me to perform better on my tasks. And the fifth reason is that agility. Not only in the work but also in my personal life, I strongly believe that agility is a way of living, and I love failing fast, recovering fast, bouncing back, and also learning quicker, and also to focus on the outcome and not on the output, to see the big picture. And the sixth one is about automations. I strongly believe that any organization, sustainability lies on the way they automate, the percentage of the automation takes place in an organization. And I take personal interest in automations, and I also perform automations using a low code or no code, using Microsoft Power Platforms, and thanks to that. And then the seventh reason is cost optimization. So as I was working as a delivery manager, that was one of my primary responsibilities, to optimize the cost of, be it a license, be it asset, be it resources, using automations and orchestrations, etc. And the eighth reason is about a generation of revenue. So also that has been one of my responsibilities in the past, where I get to listen to and understand the voice of customer, and then I pick a major problem and the pain area for them, and then we tap the potential of that problem and convert that into an opportunity, and then and then generate a revenue. So where it is a win-win for both customers and as well as for us as an organization. And the ninth reason is versatility. Means over the period of 18 years, almost 2 decades, you can say, I have performed on multiple roles, starting from trainer to freelancer to Active Directory L3 engineer to operations manager to service delivery manager to project manager, and now also managing security. So long story short, I'm very adaptable to any work which has been given to me, provided it's meaningful for organization and as well as for me, and there is something new to learn for me. And the last and the 10th one is about a process. So whenever the organization is into operations, then process is very essential, and I'm very process oriented person. And a process is the one which cuts off all these mundane tasks and then helps us orchestrate and then automate later. So I personally take interest in risk management, incident management, change management, and I work on it, and I enforce all these processes in any organization I work for. So if you're interested to talk and know about me further, please do give me a call on my mobile 40803129. And I have provided my mail address, my web page, my LinkedIn page in the description below. So hope to meet you soon and talk to you soon. Thank you very much.